USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. Okay, so you're gonna love this video. It's easy for me. This analysis is very easy for me. So what is easy for me, that in other words mean it is much profitable to you, whoever is watching the video. Okay, so keep an eye. Next 2 minutes will be very crucial for you. So before we start the video, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, and even if you're old to the channel but still not subscribed, why? If you are old to the channel, you have seen my videos previously and still you have not subscribed, then why are you even watching my video? That's the valid point, right? If you can't subscribe, then why are you even watching the video? So if you're new, just subscribe and like and press the bell notification. If you're old, then stop watching my videos or subscribe. Okay. Otherwise, nobody knows, right? I know, God knows. Okay. Subscribe, like, notification, and check out the links below the video. Click on this join free Telegram. Join my Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the prop firm and the brokers and sign up with them. I want you to trade with my signals in a separate account. I don't want you to mix everything. Open separate account for my signals and then trade there to see what is the accuracy of my signals. Okay. So in the Telegram, I'll send you free signals in the coming future. Okay. So do all of that. Subscribe, like, and just join, and I'll come back to this later on. Starting with the analysis, right? The top-down approach with weekly chart. In weekly, what do we have? EBI downtrend, okay. Remember last week's candle was down but did not break the previous low. Okay, to me looks like we are going to continue the uptrend in the weekly time frame now, but nobody gives a shit what's happening in weekly. We need to know what's happening today. Okay, but still, just to tell you what's going on here, I think the trend is over in weekly. So this did not break the low. Okay, and now we're gonna go up. So let's come back to Delhi. In Delhi, we're still down, but again, this candle did not break this low. Okay. Uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, a long pullback, man. It was so frustrating in Delhi. We have been going down. A lot of people must have paid, a lot of people must have lost the money in this one, okay? Anyways, but this candle did not break this previous low. So I'm expecting it to go up, okay? For now, it's going up. How do you know? It's quite clear. I'm going to give this to you for free. If this blue candle of today, okay, if this running blue candle of today break this high tonight after the market closes, then you can go for a long in daily chart for tomorrow. Okay, as soon this high is broken, we're gonna go up. We might get the rejection from the EMA, but you can still make profits until the EMA if you enter long. Okay, so if you want to trade in Delhi, wait for this high to break. If you want to trade in 4 hour, then let's find you some signals in 4 hour. 4 hour, this candle has closed above the EMA already. So we have broken the previous highs. We are in the uptrend. All you have to do is use your Fib levels, Fibonacci tool from here till here, and then wait for the retracement. Okay. Wait for the pullback. It is going to pull back for sure. I'm telling you. Okay. Use your Fib levels. Wait for the pullback. After the pullback, wait for the blue confirmation candle, then enter long 1:2 ratio, and then get out. Okay, if you like what you see, subscribe, like, do all of that, share the video as well. Not everybody is willing to give you this knowledge for free. Okay, so share the video as well, subscribe, like, join the Telegram. I'll see you when I have some breath, maybe tomorrow.